Hey adventurers, welcome back to Paris Part 2. Hopefully you've already watched Paris Part 1 and you're already up to speed on everything we've done in Paris up to this point. So let's jump back into where we left off, shall we? Oh yeah, the drama.
Yep, the Palace of Versailles. We made the trip all the way out there. We were pumped and we were ready to be royal for a day.
But the system lost our tickets, and they were completely sold out for the entire day. This is as close as we got.
So close. But we ended up walking to the Get Your Guide office, and the best they could do was a partial refund.
Not gonna lie, it was kind of a bummer.
But what do? Yep, that's right. You roll with it. We're mastering it one step at a time.
So we headed back, and that evening we climbed to the top of Arc de Triomphe rooftop. And oh man,
it was magical. We got up to the top just as dusk settled in. What an amazing view. Everything lit up in a golden glow of the setting sun. Couldn't have asked for a more beautiful time to be up there.
the Eiffel Tower looked tiny from way up there, like it could fit in our backpack.
Maybe don't try that though, by the way. I don't think they'd appreciate it.
Paris really is the city of lights, and walking back to our Airbnb after a long, slightly chaotic day, it felt kind of perfect.
Okay, it's finally time for the big reveal. The one you've been waiting for since the beginning of Paris Part 1. Drum roll, please.
Yep, the reason we left Paris early. We found a castle.
Like legit fairy tale Disney looking moat optional castle.
We'd been trying to book one ever since we landed in Europe 2 months ago. Everything was either booked up or like a bajillion euro a night.
But finally, we scored one that was available and didn't require selling a kidney. Phew.
So we rented a couple cars, packed up, and hit the road. Except
Driving in Paris is not for the faint of heart. So Adam decided he had had enough and left early.
I think I passed 96 roundabouts in 3 hours. I started hallucinating circles.
And I left later, after church. And Alanis, the navigator, somehow decided toll roads were the way to go.
She ended up being stuck in toll booth purgatory.
Every single booth. I had to stop and push the button and talk to a French guy who did not speak English.
They had a toll booth relationship by the end of it.
We really did. It's a crazy story for another day, but somehow we made it just before dark, and this castle, wow.
Cue the perfect shot. Wait for it.
Lacey Platt is in the castle.
Yay.
I should make sure I know where I'm going before I go. That is not it. Aha. The kitchen. kitchen. This way. Can go in here then? Smells like men's
Mom,
cologne
we have
in
to
here.
walk out into the pool.
Oh, not tonight. Stop ringing the doorbell with the bell. Whatever it's called. Luis.
My room, not my messy bed, everyone.
So cute.
Butterfly.
It's Rosalie. Cute bathroom. Yay.
Follow me.
Follow me.
Look, butterfly.
Oh. Secret passageway. To the toilet room. Very good.
It is in fact in the tower.
The toilet in the tower. The towel.
The girls were excited because they each had their own room and bathroom. One closet was a toilet, and the other was everything else. Kinda crazy.
Beautiful art. Resting room. The library. Julie's room. Who's Julie? Julie's Atlantis. Do you have a closet? Or is this a bathroom? Or this is the toilet room? It's probably the bathroom over there. Okay, I think she's showering. Come out. Oh, here's another room. Janie's room. So cute. Here's the room with 2 beds. Room with 1 bed. Bathroom. And the toilet room. Must be that one over there. The woods outside. Can see. Hello. Toilet room.
Classic castle vibes. Definitely a bucket list experience.
Stay in a castle. Check.
So was France a whirlwind? 1000%.
Did we crush it anyway? You bet your baguette we did.
And as for the castle stay, that's just the beginning. Wait till you see what's coming up next.
Trust us, you don't want to miss it.
If you've ever dreamed of eating macaroons at the Louvre, or eating at the restaurant at the top of the Eiffel Tower, or maybe it's staying in a real-life castle, join us for even more epic adventures.
Go ahead and hit that like button, drop us a comment, and of course, subscribe for more family travel chaos, wins, and unforgettable memories. And if you'd like to learn how to travel like we do, come learn from us by joining our adventure crew. Check out all the details on our website at adventurepreneurs.me/crew. Until next time, Adventurepreneurs out.